When we sleep, we see various dreams. In those dreams, sometimes we are filled with happiness, joy, and excitement. And sometimes we are filled with sadness, hardship, pain, or various troubles. But if we look at it from a worldly perspective, we see my body is laying unconscious on the bed. Yet I see so many things happening to me. And whatever is happening, only I can feel it. And no one else can understand it. My dear brothers and sisters, this is exactly what happens to a person when he dies. The people of the world see him as a corpse and cry over his lifeless body. But behind it all, like a dream, only he knows what is happening to him, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows. Therefore, we should lead our lives the way Allah has told us to lead our lives. May Allah grant us the light of guidance. Amin.